Welcome to the summary presentation of Work Package 7 of DIETS2. DIETS2 is a thematic network of dietitians made up of 109 partners drawn from over 30 European countries. DIETS2 was funded by the Lifelong Learning Programme of the European Union. Work Package 7 consisted of Judith, Jean, Anna, Vinica, Maria and Dwayne. The purpose of Work Package 7 was to ensure the quality across the whole DIETS2 project. The contents page has been set up with a hyperlink to the full presentation, which can be seen immediately below the contents title. Additionally, hyperlinks to each section of the presentation can be seen. By clicking on any of these, it will take you forward to that slide if you wish. To deliver a quality project, the key initial step is to have a quality plan, which needs to identify what needs to be checked for quality, what is the appropriate methodology to make these checks, when and how often should these checks be carried out, who needs to be involved in making these checks, and how should the checks be carried out, and what are the techniques and tools which are best to use to undertake these checks. The internal quality assurance group, which was Work Package 7, helped to do this by publishing guidelines to ensure quality of deliverables, standards, criteria, methods of checking, recording and reporting procedures were consistent throughout the project. They agreed on the frequency of reviews, audits, change control and quality assurance processes. It was agreed on the performance indicators for transversal policies in line with EU regulations, including financial, web and ICT management. It published the roles and responsibilities for liaison between the Quality Assurance Group and other work packages on the DIETS2 intranet. It monitored the deliverables, it developed and used a risk management plan, and developed and updated a Gantt chart for all deliverables across the whole project. This was supported by the External Quality Advisory Group, whose objectives were to define the quality expectations of our partners and undertake audits of the quality of the deliverables to check that they were meeting the needs of users, partners and beneficiaries of the thematic network. Also to produce a quality methodology establishing quality criteria, defining quality standards and establishing quality tools. To identify and then establish quality assurance activities. To make quality reports transparent and responsive was the end result. A pragmatic approach was taken to risk management, using a standard operating procedure from Work Package 7 as part of a risk management plan. This aimed to quantify the ranking of risk on a scale from 1 to 25 by using a simple formula of the risk rating equaling the severity of the potential risk multiplied by the likelihood that it was going to happen. Here is an example of the monitoring systems used alongside this to help ensure quality. It highlights the tools used, such as deliverables, minutes, etc., along with a monitoring system which was used to review that, and then identifying who was responsible for the production and quality assurance of this process. So, what was the impact of the Quality Assurance Group on the project as a whole? It monitored reports and made recommendations for change to management, which then impacted on the delivery of the project. It helped to identify slippage of deliverables and reported on these, enabling corrective action to be taken. Each work package lead was then contacted individually to help develop a strategy to reduce this slippage. This usually involved an increase in the number of virtual meetings held by each work package, where the frequency of meetings was increased. In general, this led to a reduction in the number of overdue deliverables from that group. Where deliverables were overdue, management offered work package leads help and support to achieve their deliverables. Also, inactive partners were identified, enabling them to be withdrawn from the project and replaced with active partners. In total, 11 partners were asked to withdraw. A call was then put out to the network for volunteers to replace these partners. Additional impacts of quality assurance on the project. The need to identify stakeholder expectations was highlighted. The network members were surveyed to establish what use they were making or plan to make of the deliverables from the project. Feedback was collated in a report, DIETS2, Meeting Needs, Exploiting Outcomes. The external quality advisory group recommended that a deputy work package lead should be appointed to ensure continuity of leadership within each work package. These deputy leads were supported leads of work packages in completing the deliverables on time. This was accommodated by reallocating budgets to cover some of the staff costs incurred by the deputy leads. Regular quality assurance monitoring reports, which were required from work package leads, were collated throughout the project. This allowed for missing or incorrect data and documentation to be identified and corrected at regular intervals throughout the duration of the project. All documentation was posted on the website, leading to increased transparency and compliance with the transverse policies. Availability of documentation was simplified to allow for more accurate and efficient completion of progress and final reports. Lessons learnt. Regular monitoring enabled potential problems to be identified and dealt with early on in the project. Clear feedback of results of quality assurance monitoring to work package leads and management supported the smooth running of the project. Accurate recording and publishing of agendas and minutes throughout the project led to transparency of working throughout the project. The external quality advisory group gave clear recommendations which improved the quality of reporting. And the quality assurance group contributed directly to the quality of the project and so indirectly to the quality of the delivery. Please note that the current presentation assessed only the quality of the management and not the quality of the deliverables of the project. Thank you.